Forgiveness wasn't a word Ayaan trusted. He thought it was something you gave away, never to yourself. But the noise inside was old guilt, looping like an echo. He found a session, sound for self-forgiveness. He put on the headphones. Let the tone fill every corner he'd closed off. The voice said, "You don't owe anyone more than you owe yourself." He whispered an apology, not to them, but to himself. "I'm sorry I left you alone with this." Tears are sounds too, ones the world rarely hears. He didn't shush them this time. Each tear softened the echo. No one else had to hear it. He did. Forgiveness sounded like release, not permission. He wasn't perfect. Neither was his noise. But the noise belonged to him, and so did the silence. The guilt lost its echo, just a whisper now. Forgiveness didn't fix him. It freed him. Tomorrow, he'd listen to laughter again.